Full stack development. Detailed explanation. Full stack development refers to the end-to-end development of both the front-end client-side and back-end server-side of a web application. A full stack developer is someone who can build entire web applications and websites, including designing the front-end interfaces, writing back-end logic, handling databases, APIs, and deployment. Components of full stack development. 1. Front-end development, client-side. This is what users see and interact with directly in their web browser. Technologies: HTML, structure of the web page; CSS, styling the content; JavaScript, adds interactivity; front-end frameworks libraries; React.js, Vue.js, Angular. Responsibilities: creating responsive designs, implementing UI/UX designs, handling browser-side routing, consuming APIs, and displaying dynamic data. 2. Backend development, server-side, handles the logic, database operations, and API integrations behind the scenes. Technologies, languages, Node.js, JavaScript, Python, Ruby, PHP, Java, etc. Frameworks, Express.js, Django, Laravel, Spring, etc. Responsibilities, handling business logic, managing user authentication and authorization, connecting to and managing the database, creating and managing APIs, server configuration and file handling. 3. Database, stores and manages all application data. Types: relational databases, SQL, MySQL, PostgreSQL; non-relational databases, NoSQL, MongoDB, Firebase. Responsibilities: data storage and retrieval, schema design, query optimization, data relationships in SQL. 4. Version control, tracks changes in code and collaborates with teams. Tools: Git, GitHub, GitLab, Bitbucket. 5. Deployment and DevOps, putting the application live on the internet. Responsibilities: web hosting and domain setup. CI/CD, continuous integration, continuous deployment. Load balancing, scaling, monitoring and performance optimization. Platforms: Vercel, Netlify, front-end hosting; Heroku, Render, AWS, DigitalOcean, full stack; Docker and Kubernetes for containerization. Example full stack tech stack. MERN. MERN equals MongoDB plus Express.js, React.js plus Node.js. MongoDB, NoSQL database; Express.js, backend framework; React.js, front-end library; backend runtime environment. How full stack development works together: user, front-end, Rand Express node, database, MongoDB. Example use case: blog application, layer, description. Front-end shows blog posts, lets user create, edit, delete posts. Handles post requests, manages users, validates data. Database, stores user data and blog post content. Why learn full stack development? Build complete apps independently. Better job opportunities. Full stack developers are in demand. Understand the entire product lifecycle. Increased collaboration between front-end and back-end teams. Essential skills for full stack developers. Category: skills, GitHub via frontend, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React, Vue. Backend: Node.js, Express, Python, Django. Databases: MongoDB, MySQL, PostgreSQL. Dev tools: Git, GitHub, deployment. Vercel, Heroku, Netlify, Docker. Soft skills: problem solving, communication, agile. Hair visual diagram: full stack architecture, browser, frontend, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, backend, Node.js plus Express.js. Database: MongoDB, MySQL. Hashman summary: full stack development equals frontend plus backend plus database deployment. You can build complete web applications on your own. Popular stacks include MERN, Mean, LAMP, and Jamstack. It's one of the most in-demand skill sets in web development today. Full stack development. Detailed explanation. Full stack development refers to the end-to-end development of both the front-end client-side and back-end server-side of a web application. A full stack developer is someone who can build entire web applications and websites, including designing the front-end interfaces, writing back-end logic, handling databases, APIs, and deployment.